announced that within 48 hours, and that deadline ends today, he will resign as the Delhi Chief Minister and will return to office only after the people elect him again in the upcoming elections. Kejriwal said that this would mean that Imandari ka certificate has been directly given to him by the people of the national capital. Thereafter, his formal announcement and resigning as the Delhi Chief Minister, he will be meeting Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena. However, all eyes will be on the next Chief Minister of Delhi to decide the same. For that, 11:30 a.m. in a short while from now at his residence, there would be a Legislative Council meeting that would be taking place. However, there is no end to the Kissa Kursi ka within the Aam Aadmi Party because there are a lot of front runners there. Will it be Atishi? Will it be Saurabh Bhardwaj? Will it be Gopal Rai? Will it be Kailash Gehlot? Or will it be Sunita Kejriwal, the wife of Arvind Kejriwal? Now, when it comes to the BJP, it is accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of trying to push ahead when it comes to the Lalu Rabdi model in the national capital, citing that there are stringent bail conditions that has been put forth by the Supreme Court on the Delhi Chief Minister. Hence, he has no option left.
उन्होंने पीएसी यानी कि पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स कमेटी की मीटिंग बुलाई थी, जिसमें पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता और मौजूदा कैबिनेट के सभी मंत्रीगण मौजूद थे। मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने सभी वहां पे मौजूद नेताओं और मंत्रियों से 1 to 1 नए मुख्यमंत्री के विषय में चर्चा की और कल विधायक दल की मीटिंग होगी।
This particular decision of his does not stem out of morality. It actually stems from, I would say, political selfishness. Having said that, if he's very serious about having elections in Delhi, then why did he not dissolve the assembly? He made a categoric statement that the assembly is not being dissolved. He's not serious about having elections in Delhi early. Having said that, of course, the BJP is completely ready.
अब उनको साफ गोई से उनमें से निकलना चाहता, जनता निकलने नहीं देगी। जनता ने सब पहचान लिया है और आने वाले दिल्ली के चुनाव में अरविंद केजरीवाल को भी जितना ठोकना पड़ा जनता को, जनता ठोकेगी।
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथ जो कुछ पूरे दिल्ली में हुआ, एक चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री को जेल में रखना, फिर सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने क्या कहा? सीबीआई को कहा कि आप प्रूफ करिए खुद को कि आप पिंजरे का तोता नहीं है। ये सीधे सीधे प्रधानमंत्री के चेहरे पर तमाचा है। केजरीवाल जी जो भी फैसला कर रहे हो, दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कमल नहीं खिलने वाला है।
Well, let's open this up. Rajagopalan sir is with us and Huda Zariwala is also joining us at this point because we are expecting this to be an action-packed day, Ms. Zariwala. Lots expected to happen as far as the 48-hour deadline will end today of Arvind Kejriwal. Ma'am, what do you believe would be the sequence of events today lined up, because there is a Legislative Council meeting? But more importantly, who will be the next Delhi CM?
Well, good morning to all the viewers of Times Now. This is obviously going to be a day that is going to be remembered in the history of Aam Aadmi Party for the simple fact that this is one Chief Minister who chose to, stay the Chief Minister while he was in jail for 177 days and choose to step down as the Chief Minister and resign, after he was granted bail. So this itself goes on to show that how much he cares for the Janata of Delhi, and he is willing to step down and, leave the mandate to the people, be re-elected, and then come back with obviously, a bigger, better margin, because the Janata of Delhi has obviously witnessed for the past, about 2 years or more, how one after another, the ED and the CBI, agencies that act at the behest of the BJP have been targeting Aam Aadmi Party leaders, right from Manish Sisodia ji to Dr. Satyendra Jain to Sanjay Singh ji, and obviously now the Chief Minister himself.
But the timing is crucial, Huda, isn't it? Because is it going to be just because he's seeking for the remainder of the term to have another Chief Minister, because BJP is calling it as a puppet Chief Minister till the time he receives or what he calls as Imandari ka certificate. Rajagopalan sir, today is also the birth anniversary of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Arvind Kejriwal seems to be announcing that he is resigning today. What do you believe happens today?
Arvind Kejriwal, who is on a bail for 10 lakh rupees, he has submitted a bond. Amrita, shame on Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, because 10 lakh rupees is not an easy joke. Second, for another 1 week, the state will be under limbo. because today if he resigns and the President of India, Madam Draupadi Murmu, takes time for a week to accept this because Delhi is in a peculiar state. Second thing, Aam Aadmi Party is in a political crisis, existential crisis, because Aam Aadmi Party, Prime Minister Arvind Kejriwal wants to make it. It is Arvind Kejriwal party, not Aam Aadmi Party, because he wants to install his wife, Madam Sunita Kejriwal. That is why this long drawn rubber type of खींच के publicity में रहना चाहते हैं. Second thing, why did he choose the time of 11:30 and 4:30? As per the Arvind Kejriwal's Kundali, 4:30 after Raugalam and 11:30 is also inauspicious time. Why should he choose that? Second thing, he went to Hanuman Mandir the day before yesterday. He got some sort of intuition that he should resign.
But I want to ask Huda Zariwala, what exactly is when it comes to such comparisons that are being drawn? Because when Arvind Kejriwal was speaking, he spoke about Shahid Bhagat Singh. Then there are comparisons that are being drawn to Ramayana, saying that this was the Rajgaddi that Bhagwan Ram had to leave and it was Bharat that he had to take over. What exactly are the sentiments that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are trying to play with that of the people of Delhi? Ms. Zariwala, can you hear me?
I'm sorry, was the question directed to me?
Yes, I wanted to ask what exactly are the sentiments that Arvind Kejriwal is trying to indicate where he mentioned Shahid Bhagat Singh, whereas party leaders talk about Ramayana, such kind of when it comes to comparisons that are now being drawn into it just before the elections?
Well, obviously, Arvind Kejriwal ji is, a modern day Bhagat Singh, because this is one leader who has been on the ground serving the people. This is a party that stemmed out of a protest and Andolan. This is a party that came to the ground, just to fight for the very rights of, the Janta, the people of Delhi in this case. This is a party whose chief minister, has been an IATN.
But he is also a chief minister without any powers, ma'am. He is also a chief minister without any powers. If he decided to resign and to step down, he could have taken that decision on the day when he was placed under arrest. Wasn't that Hemant Soren did, Mr. Rajagopalan, when he was arrested? Such conditional bail, when it comes to such conditions on his bail, were not put in by the court then.
But अग्नि परीक्षा कह रहे हैं, अग्नि परीक्षा हुआ तो फेल हो गया अग्नि परीक्षा में, क्योंकि अग्नि परीक्षा में फेल होने के बाद 10 लाख रुपए जमानत में है मिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल. अग्नि परीक्षा फेल्ड है because he wants to install Sunita Kejriwal as the chief minister. But second thing, the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson is not answering you straight away. She is circling like a aircraft before landing. She circles, So Madam Huda Zariwala, though she is my good friend, but she is on a wrong party and she should not.
All right, Ms. Zariwala, 5 seconds, ma'am. Who is the next Delhi CM, ma'am? If you have any information, please do share.
Well, honestly, at this point, your guess is as good as mine. We're all waiting for that announcement to happen. And then I'm sure, today is the day that hopefully we'll all get to know, or at the most within a week, because there have been
within a week
meetings going on, and then
all right, that is new. Of course, we're going to be waiting for that if the suspense ends today or within a week, because this is important.
Maximum within a week.
Yes, because this is important, because he is seeking, as far as Delhi elections, to be held on the sidelines of Maharashtra elections in the month of November. BJP is taking up the question. He has the option also to dissolve the assembly. Why doesn't he do that? He has the majority of the MLAs. Thank you very much, Mr. Rajagopalan, Ms. Zariwala, for joining us here on the Morning News Hour.